In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in Hubspot. Custom objects are a powerful feature that allows you to tailor the HubSpot experience to your specific business needs, enabling you to store information unique to your operations. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for HubSpot in your search engine. Once you are on the HubSpot homepage, you'll be able to access the range of tools and services they offer for businesses. It's a great idea to take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited recently, as HubSpot is always updating. Now, from the homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button, which should be situated conveniently towards the top right of the page. This will direct you to the login portal where you can enter your credentials. Make sure to have your username and password on hand, or utilize any single sign-on service you have linked to your HubSpot account. Once signed in, you'll land on your HubSpot home dashboard. Here is where you can find quick access to all HubSpot apps and any recent updates or notifications. It's a good checkpoint to see if there are any system alerts you might want to address before proceeding. From your dashboard, we'll head over to the settings. You can find the settings gear icon on the main navigation bar, typically located on the top right. Clicking on this icon will open a new settings menu where you can adjust various preferences related to your HubSpot environment. Within the settings, look for the section labeled Objects. This section is essential as it provides you with control over different data types used within HubSpot like contacts, deals, companies, and more. Clicking on it will reveal another set of options related to managing these objects. Next, under Objects, you'll want to click on Custom Objects. This is where the magic happens. The Custom Objects feature allows you to create custom data types tailored to your organization's specific workflow and data requirements. In this space, you can define new entities, set properties, and even dictate how they relate to existing data points in HubSpot. Remember, while creating a custom object, think about what data you really need to capture, as simplicity and clear data relationships are crucial to an effective CRM strategy. After selecting custom objects, you can start crafting your unique data fields and structures. Remember, this feature can significantly enrich how you engage with data, so think strategically about what's most valuable for your team. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating custom objects in HubSpot. Explore its versatility and see how it can enhance your business processes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and tips, and until next time.